you clicked on this video because you're looking for a completely free way to make money online and genuinely allow yourself to achieve 10K plus a month and achieve financial freedom. Today, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can do so for completely free, not a single dime to invest. This is by far the best business model that can replace your 9 to 5. And obviously, as you can see, no inventory, no ad spend, no startup capital, literally just sales calls. Keep in mind, this is coming from someone who was literally just working at a car dealership a little bit over a year ago. What is the business model I'm talking about? It is called high ticket sales. Whether you've heard of it, seen it before, know people that are already doing it, I can guarantee you'll gain some sort of knowledge in terms of how I actually break this down. Sales gurus complicate the fuck out of this, and this has come from someone that has made 10K within my first month of closing. No bullshit, no shitty sales tactics that you see on Instagram, nothing like that. What I want you to do is watch this entire video to understand it fully. This is the exact model, the money math, the 2 rules, and who actually becomes successful in this space. Okay, so first step, what it is. Every other business model needs capital. This is the only one that does not. High ticket sales, you literally close deals for busy influencers and business owners. That is that simple. The old money-making methods online were Amazon, day trading, dropshipping, Shopify. They all need startup capital, and it's very risky as well. With high ticket sales, 30-minute calls with warm leads, you literally walk them through a coaching program, and you literally just get paid to close. For example, every single sales program sells for $3K minimum. On average, it's typically between 5 to 10K, and you just get a commission from every single deal that you close. One call alone can be an entire week's worth of work at your 9 to 5. The commission and the math behind every single close. So again, 3K to 20, I've seen all the way up to 100K for these coaching programs. It really just depends on what they're selling. On average, your commission is going to be anywhere from 10 to 15%, which obviously means you can make anywhere from $300 to $1,500 per close. And just to dumb it down, let's say you take 4 to 5 calls a day, you only close half of them, which again, these are warm leads, so you should be closing more than half, but that's literally 1 to 2K in a single day. Now, for the second section, I'm going to discuss the 2 different roles and the difference between the 2. So as you can see, there's a setter or a closer. Regardless, you're getting paid on every single deal. But the appointment setter's job is to book warm leads onto the closer's calendar. As an appointment setter, you make anywhere from 5 to 10% commission. And again, as the closer, you are running the call, you're closing the deal, and you get anywhere from 10 to 15% commission. Me personally, I've closed a 3K package, 6K package, and currently closing an $8,500 package, and I get 10% every single time I close a deal. Just to give you a real example, meet TJR. He is way too busy to sell his own program. He's a real influencer who needs closers right now as we speak. A lot of you might know him, a lot of you not. Long story short, he's a successful day trader and sells a 5K mentorship. Now, students book calls because they obviously want the program that he is selling. And you, as a closer, your job is to walk them through the program, close the deal, and get paid. Why this works. TJR is way too big to take his own sales calls. That gap is where you are getting paid. Another example is Shelby Sapp. Another one is Brett Scales. Again, you guys might know them, you might not. But these are just some examples of people that you would be setting or closing for. The most common question that I hear every single time is, do I need sales experience? The answer is no, but if you have previous sales experience, I promise you're already ahead of the game. If you are a previous or current athlete or an ex-sales rep, I promise to God, you already have the discipline, you already have the mindset, you're going to earn the most and by far the fastest. Now, for those of you who have no previous sales experience, learn first before you actually start trying to appointment set or start trying to close deals. There's so much free training out there. Alex Ramosi, Jeremy Miner, Andy Elliott, they literally all teach sales for free. If you're not willing to watch their videos on YouTube and actually take notes, you are not cut for this space. No, this is not going to be easy. It is very simple, but again, not easy, because if it was, every single person on earth would do it. There are 2 key determining factors whether you make money or whether you're just wasting your time. Closing or setting for a bad offer means it's a weak program, the students aren't getting any results, you obviously don't even believe in the program itself because you're not seeing real results, so that means you don't sell it. A good offer is where this is a real coaching program. Students are getting good results. It's super easy to believe in the program because the deliverables are really good. So that way selling becomes super easy. The next steps for you from here on out is to, 1, learn sales, at least learn the fundamentals themselves. Again, completely free on YouTube. And the second step is to obviously find your first setting or closing offer. And again, completely free. You have absolutely no excuse or no reason why you cannot to land your first offer. In the next video, I'm going to break down the exact sales scripts and most importantly, how to land your first sales role, whether again, setting or closing. I appreciate you watching this video. Hopefully you took away some sort of knowledge from this. And last but not least, subscribe to follow along. I'm going to post part 2 and part 3 within the week as well. Keep grinding, stay grateful, and God bless you.